Welcome to the morning meditation space. This is not just about relaxing, it's about rewiring, about starting your day grounded. We're here to tune into the powerful calm within your own body. We're not bypassing, we're reprogramming. So I invite you to get comfortable, close your eyes, and prepare to meet the version of you who starts the day with clarity, calm, and quiet power. Let your body settle into stillness. You might like to lie down, sit tall, or rest back in a chair. Let your palms rest open. Begin by taking a deep inhale through the nose and an open mouth exhale. Again, inhale deeply, exhale fully. One more time, inhale and exhale. Now bring the breath into a rhythm. Inhale for 4 counts, hold, and then exhale for 6. In your own time, inhale 2, 3, 4, hold, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep this breath pattern steady. This longer exhale is your signal to the vagus nerve, to your parasympathetic system, the rest and restore zone. Again, inhale 2, 3, 4, hold, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you breathe this way, imagine the body softening with every exhale. Let your jaw unclench. Let your shoulders drop. Let your belly rise and fall naturally. And I leave you to do a few more rounds of slow breathing in your own time. Feel the body settling. You are safe. You are home. You are arriving into the now. Let your breath guide you into calmness. And let's drop into the body's wisdom. Place one hand on your heart and one on your lower belly. Feel the rise and fall. The vagus nerve runs from the base of your brain down your throat, lungs, heart, and gut. It's how your body communicates with itself. And right now, we're sending it a message. You are safe and you are steady. You are supported. Now bring your attention to your throat. We're going to use your voice by very gently exhaling with a long V sound, like the start of the word voice. Might sound a bit crazy, but just give it a try. Inhale and exhale. And let the vibration settle through your lips and chest. And this sound stimulates your vagus nerve like a tuning fork for calm. Let's do that again. Inhale and exhale with the sound. One more time. Inhale, exhale with the vibration of sound. Now return to your steady breath. Longer exhales than inhales. And whenever you feel a moment of stress throughout your day, this is a breath you can always return to. Longer exhales than your inhales. Now that your nervous system is receptive, let's speak directly to it. Repeat silently or out loud. I begin this day from peace. I trust my body. I trust my breath. I am grounded, steady, and open. I meet this day with clarity and confidence. I create my energy before the world creates it for me. And let these words imprint into your body, not just your mind. I regulate with ease. I know how to return to calm. Let these words imprint into your body, not just your mind. I regulate with ease. I know how to return to calm. My breath is my anchor. My energy is my responsibility. I am safe to slow down and rise. And let's repeat a few of these, letting them sink deeper. I begin this day from peace. I create my energy before the world creates it for me. I am safe to slow down and rise. Again, I begin this day from peace. I create my energy before the world creates it for me. I am safe to slow down and rise. Last time, I begin this day from peace. I create my energy before the world creates it for me. I am safe to slow down and rise. And breathe that in. Feel it in your spine. Let it become a code your body remembers. And let's move through a quick 3-part vagus nerve activation sequence. Firstly, I want you to gently press the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth, just behind your front teeth. Now slowly inhale. Exhale fully, keeping the tongue gently pressing up. So we're pressing on the palate at the roof of our mouth. Try this 2 more times. Pressing the tip of the tongue to the roof of your mouth. Slowly inhaling and exhaling fully, keeping the tongue gently pressing up. And 1 more time. Pressing that tip of the tongue to the roof of the mouth. Slowly inhaling, exhaling fully, keeping the tongue gently pressing up. And this light contact helps stimulate the vagus nerve while anchoring you in your body. So that's something you can do throughout your day. Now slowly turn your head to the right. Hold for 10 seconds. Keep breathing. Come back to center. And now turn to the left and hold. Breathe. Center. And bring your head back to the center. And I invite you to gently massage behind the ears where the vagus nerve lies. Slow circular motion. This helps activate relaxation. And now return to stillness. Take 1 deep, audible breath. Inhale, exhale, sighing it out. You just activated calm from within. You didn't need any apps, no alerts, just you. And you always have the power to return back to calm with very simple exercises. Now imagine the version of you who moves through their morning in flow. They wake slowly, stretch with ease. They respond, not react. They speak calmly. They listen deeply. They're grounded, magnetic, intentional. They pour their tea or coffee like a ceremony. And they get ready in a rhythm and not rush. Now see yourself doing the same, moving through your morning with clarity and power. What's different when you're calm? Who are you when you're not rushing? What becomes possible when your energy is coherent? Now breathe into that version of you. Let them expand, let them lead, and repeat, I am in rhythm with life. I walk with presence. I start my day with alignment, not urgency. And let's bring this into the body one last time. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale long out the mouth. And place one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly, and feel the calm you've cultivated. Feel the steadiness in your breath, and affirm, my nervous system is my superpower. I regulate, I respond, I rise. You are not starting this day in reaction. You're starting it in command. Not tense, not scattered, but calm, clear, charged. So take one final inhale and exhale it all out. Wiggle your fingers and toes, bring movement back to the body, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this calm with you. It's not fragile, it's fierce, it's yours. Have a beautiful day.